I don't know what to do with this lesson plan. I can't figure it out.
Here I am to save the day. Superman is on the way.
You know how to do this lesson plan?
I do. We've made it very easy for you to do a lesson plan.
Well, show me how to do it.
All right, let's go to it.
Welcome to the Bay District Schools Secondary Unit Plan. This unit plan that we are looking at right now is for mathematics. There's also one for English Language Arts. They are exactly the same. The only difference is for this one we're looking at math practices. So as you're using your unit plan, simply click and select the drop-down arrow. You'll select your date. That is the first date for my lesson plan. This unit plan will go through Friday the 18th. That is the date I will select. From there, I simply type in my standards. And then I'll go through and select my levels for my depth of knowledge. What type of questions will I be asking for my lesson? For this lesson in particular, I'm going to have my kids collect data and graph. Very simple. Type here. Alright, for each one of the levels, you just, depending on how many you're using, if you're going to have a level 4, you're going to have your kids create their own word problems or create their own stories, whatever the case may be. You're just going to select that and you're going to type, create a word problem using whatever it is content that you're teaching. Your bell ringers, you just simply click and type those in for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Vocabulary for your lesson, simply click and type. Essential question, what is the essential question that you're using for your lesson? Again, simply click and type. Assessment, simply click and type. And then continue that until you're complete with those squares. From here, you simply click the math practice that you're using. You may use 1, you may use 4, it just depends. So just select as many as you need. For ELA, the standards for literature and writing and whatnot will be here. You just simply check the checkboxes. Your prepared piece, this is what it is that you are teaching. This is set up using the Bay Reading Frameworks as well as the Bay Math Framework. Simply click the box. How will you be initially instructing your students? How will they be doing independent, guided, math stations or reading stations, etc. This is the cool part of our lesson plans. All you'll do if you're engaging your students, as you know, engagement is important for Charlotte Danielson's Framework for Teaching. You'll click a drop box. For the CRIS, it's for the brand new version 4 book. If you haven't been to an updated CRIS training, we're now using volume 4. If you click the drop downs for that, the page numbers that you'll find those structures on are there for you, and that's correlated again to the volume 4 book. If you are Kagan trained, all of the Kagan structures are there for you as well. Simply click, select, and you're done. How will you differentiate your lessons? Simply click the drop down, select, and tell us how you're going to be differentiating your lesson. If you do something else that's fabulous to engage your students and transform your lesson, go ahead, click the other, type that in as well. How will you close your lesson? Click there. For Charlotte Danielson, we know to be highly effective, it is a very important component to reflect, so all you'll need to do here is select one of the reflection questions and type your answer as well. For MTSS, Multi-Tiered System of Support, if you have students in your classroom that need documentation, simply type their names, the intervention you are using, the subject area, whether it is reading or math, how many times do you see them, is it 15, 20, 30 minutes, and the frequency per week. Simply type, and that is it. And you'll go back up to the top. Another option for secondary is the weekly learning plan. It is exactly the same thing as the other one, except for you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns for each day of the week. So just as before, as you clicked the date, you'll click the date. Just as before in the other template, you clicked your objective for your depth of knowledge, you'll simply click and type. No different. So you'll continue that all the way down. Finish that one column and then go all the way back up.
So, Ilea, are we saying that this lesson plan has to be used by everybody in the district?
No, that is not what we are saying. What we are saying is this is available to you if you want to use it. Jeremy and I used the rubric. We went down the components. We worked with some of the people at the district office, and this lesson plan is for you. If you have an idea that would make it better, a suggestion, it's a fluid document. We're more than welcome to, if you just shoot us an email, we'll come sit with you. It is for us to make our lives easier, for you to have your life to be a little bit easier. So if you have an idea, let us know and we'll work with it.
All right. Thanks a lot. We'll
Bye.
see you later.